I'm here to take a moment and show people just how easy it is to mount tires on a set of trail ready bead locks. Bead lock ring and my rim. I got the rapid air down valve stem, and I gotta install my second valve stem. So just carry your rim over, put yourself on a nice little 5-gallon bucket. Go to your hardware bag, get your second valve stem. Comes with the rims, double nut, double gasket. So you spin off the double nut, take off your one gasket. It's just got a little cone shape on it. You're just looking to drop that in there. And it just kind of presses into place. And you get on the back side. And you just get your other little gasket on there and nut, and you're good to go. There. Now you just tighten down that nut. Spin that a couple times till your gasket mushrooms a little bit, and then you're done. Now you're ready to mount your tire. So here's where you're making decisions. Make sure you got the right side of the tire facing upwards or towards the finished side of the rim, and also I like to get the tires all basically cleaned up. So I've gone and shot them with the tire foam, hot shotted them. So the tires are all nice and clean, ready to go. So you don't need any soap when you've done this, because now the bead here is nice and slippery. This can be my top side. And it just goes on like that. You're making other decisions here too. So I'm going with Counteract, 6 ounces on 35s. So drop in this bag 6 ounces of balancing beads. Drop that in the tire. Drive down the road. She opens up and balances your tires from the inside. And that's Counteract automatic tire balancing. Ceramic and glass coated beads go inside the tire. Okay, so now tire's on. Let's get that lined up. Get on the tire. Boom. She's down. Simple as that. Now we pick up our tire and set it on our bucket. Here's where I like to pay attention to my tires. So this decision is just if you're real picky about things. But what I like to do is I've got my valve stem here, my rapid air downs, and my tires say Super Swamper. So just me, I went ahead and lined up right there with dead nuts with my rapid air down valve on all 5 of my tires, or all 4 plus the spare. So right now you take the tire, There, I got my rapid air down valve right there, super swamper right there. I grab my trail ready lock ring and I throw the trail ready sticker right on that rapid air valve. Here's my rapid air valve, super swamper, right between the words, boom. Throw my balance ring or my lock ring in. Now every tire is the same for what it's worth. Now we'll prep all the bolts and washers. Alright, so now we're taking all our washers that they came with, and for one, I chose the black hardware versus the zinc. Everything on my Jeep is either black or chrome, so I went with the black hardware. But, so we got all our washers. Now notice the washers are flat on one side and a little bit concave on the other. So we just go through and drop in 24 washers. Just keep rotating that around. Okay, so now that you got your tire, got the right side facing out that you're looking for. You got your beadlock ring on, lined up with your valve stems or however you want it. Now you got 24 bolts that you're going to hit with some anti-seize thread sealant. It's something to help you when it comes time to remove the bolts, take them back out. So we're just going to go in and draw a little bead of sealant on your bolt, give a little roll, drop it down through your washer, and just start dropping in bolts. 24 of them, so just run them in finger tight for now. Make sure all the threads start up nice and clean and they aren't cross threaded. Okay, so we got all 24 bolts hand threaded and started. Torque wrench is set up at 20 foot-pounds. Impact driver set up to start the process. But I wanted to get you down here and see the spacing that we've got currently. So that bead lock is going to clamp down about a ½ inch. And trail ready specs are at 20 foot-pounds. This clamp ring should be clamped onto the rim at 20 foot-pounds. So, and you start out now with a star pattern. We'll hit it with one bolt. We'll go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tighten that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tighten that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tighten that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back where we started. So we'll do that star pattern, and we'll just suck that beadlock ring down until we're just touching the rim, and that'll be about 15, 16 foot-pounds. And then we'll tighten up the rest of the bolts, and we'll finish with the torque wrench at 20 foot-pounds. Here goes the process. Okay, that gets us into the ballpark. Now we'll just go around and bring the rest of them down. Okay, now we'll switch over to the impact, and we'll just work them all down to 20 foot-pounds. Alright, so now we're going to start the process with the torque wrench. So we got her set up at 20 foot-pounds. Just get on here and start just kind of working our way around. Giving everything a couple of turns. Until we hear the 20 foot-pound brake. You can kind of feel the pressure on the torque wrench too. You've been turning wrenches long enough that you can tell how tight the bolt is. You get to 20, just keep working your way around. Use your kneecap to kind of stop the tire from turning. Keep repeating the process, going around and around. Alright, so we're coming in on the end here. I just demonstrate that now we're down to, everything's down to just a quick little quarter turn or so before the torque wrench brakes at 20. Everything's going pretty quick now. Just takes a couple trips around the tire, get all the bolts just even tightness all the way around. 20 foot-pounds. Okay, I think that does it. So I'll take you down here and show you. You can see that clamp ring cinched down tight all the way around. That's pretty much it. Tire is mounted. Now we just gotta set the bead on the back side. That takes about 8 psi. 8 to 10 psi to set that. Right up there on top of the screen you can see the bead. Not quite set. Just air it up. And we just add air. There we go. That there. Tire is mounted. Bead is set. And she's ready to go on the Jeep. So now I'm gonna bring everything up to about 20 psi today. Go put them on the Jeep and go for a drive. So here we are mounted up on the mighty Jeep. I got 3 done so far, plus my spare. Got my spare hanging off the back. So happy about that. So that's the tire you and I are just working on. And I finished this one up a couple hours ago. I think I got the hub locked in right now, but so I can tighten down all the lugs. We can undo that. And there she spins real nice. And what I was talking about is all my trail ready are all lined up on the Super Swamper on all the tires. So I don't know, I just thought it was a neat little detail. Boom, Super Swamper tires. Trail ready beadlocks on the Super Swampers. And I took this opportunity and painted everything nice and black and what have you. So that's basically it. And that's the Jeep that I'm putting my tires on. It's a 84 CJ7 with Curry Dana 44s front and back. Dana on the rear axle I've got a Detroit locker, and then on the front we've got ARB's air locker. So we're locked up front and rear. But now I'll be able to air these tires down real nice. I'm pretty excited. So we'll get in, finish that tire up, come out and mount them up. Alright, hope everybody found this information somewhat helpful. But, it isn't too bad, pretty easy. I took the old rims, I had some Mickey Thompsons, and that was the hardest part, is getting the tires off these old Mickey Thompson rims. So I just ran them off to the tire shop and had them demount for like $7 a tire, and come back home and putting these in. This is easy stuff, so don't be shy and have fun doing it. Trail ready beadlocks, nice rims.